So I didn't make it too far. About 3 miles down the highway from that last service station I just stopped at is a place called Canyon de Balo, Arizona. Check out what's here. Just a whole other type of place filled up with spectacular, colorful graffiti again. But that's not only it. If you turn around here, see there's that structure right there, but way in the distance, I'm not sure if you could see, there's a whole bunch of old crumbling foundations to structures, and I'm not sure exactly what those are, but we're gonna go check those out later. This looked like one of those old mechanic shops that was also a gas station. It's just filled with spectacular graffiti now. This was probably where the footings of one of the jacks were. This is just really cool old graffiti. That was a tool bench. This was the little shop area in here. There used to be big glass windows here that you could see out into the landscape and the pumps. And now it's just in ruins. This was the old restroom here. Someone left something behind. You know what these were? These were actually old showers in here. These are old showers, so truckers would come, they could reserve a shower, stay for a little bit, freshen up, and then hop back on the road. Alright, I'm done with this now. We're gonna head down over there and see what those structures are.